Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is, on July 23rd, a farmer training and Raksha Bandhan program was organized at the Ekal Gramothan Foundation GRC Center in Karhi, Khargone. Division President Ajit Ji spoke about the creation of Ekal Abhiyan, and State Head Praveen Jain provided information about the ongoing project in Ekal Gramothan. Central Co-Planning Head Mr. Dilip Vadiva addressed the farmers and called for having a Poshan Vatika in every house, while Ekal Gram Sangathan National Women's Committee President Sushma Chaudhary tied a Raksha Sutra and made the farmers pledge to become the protectors of Mother Earth. Second news. On the auspicious occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, Yodha Naman and Sainik Samman program was held in the Bagalkot region on July 26th. In this program, retired soldiers and serving soldiers were collectively honoured. Many dignitaries including former Colonel Ashok Ji, Division Campaign Committee Secretary P10, Dr. Girish Masurkar, Anchal Sanrakshan, Bagalkot and Chandrasekhar Katgiri Ji, Zone President, were present in the program. Overall, more than 380 people participated in this motivational program. Third news. On July 25th, 5,000 plants were made available by the local committee at Ekal Gramothan Foundation GRC Center, Karhi, Khargone. In the program, Committee President Ajit Chhajed specially requested all the farmers to take care of the plants just like we raise our children. State Head Praveen Jain, Suganjar, along with farmers and GRC officials and workers were present in the program. Fourth news. From 21st July to 25th July, the Central Nashnatya class was organized in the courtyard of Mata Bala Sundari Ji's temple in Trilokpur, Himachal Pradesh. During this, South Himachal Division President Suresh Sharma Ji, Chief Guest Advocate Surendra Singh Ji and Central Activity Head Pradeep Swain Ji were present. Ekal Abhiyan Kendriya Abhiyan Pramukh Dr. Lalan Sharma Ji, Co-Campaign Head Deep Kumar Ji were also present in this class. In this Nashnatya class, various sessions were planned from 5 am to 10 pm. 8 division activity heads and 25 activity heads were present in the class. Fifth news. On July 27th, the Get to Know Ekal and Honouring Senior Volunteers program organized by Ekal Abhiyan South India Division 10 Worker Department was held at the Ekal Seva Nivas in Bangalore. On this dignified occasion, eminent social workers Deepak Jain Ji was present as the chief guest, National Vice President of Vanbandhu Parishad Ramesh Agrawal Ji as the special guest, South Zone Vice President Savita Agrawal Ji and Central Co-Campaign Chief Deep Kumar Ji as the keynote speaker. During this, the chief guest said that the spirit of dedication and service is what connects society, and Ekal workers are a living example of this. During the program, 23 senior service-oriented workers were also honoured. Sixth news. On July 27th, a program of the Ekal Sri Hari Mandir Rath Utsav Department was held in the village Manonta of Garganga Zone, Moradabad, part of Division West Uttar Pradesh, in which all the donor brothers and villagers from Delhi saw the Sri Hari Mandir Rath and did satsang. Seventh news. Senior Worker Felicitation Ceremony organized by the Worker Department of Ekal Abhiyan South India P9 Division in Hyderabad on July 29th was successfully held at Vanbandhu Parishad Office, Telangana chapter. On this occasion, Chief Guest Deepak Jain Ji, Special Guest Vinod Agrawal Ji, Upadhyaksh Vanbandhu Parishad South Region, Central Co-Campaign Head Deep Kumar Ji, along with the village organization, Women Committee, Youth Committee and many senior workers were present. In the program, 29 senior workers were honoured with certificates and sewing machines. 8 news. Ekal Sri Hari Mumbai organized a lecture by Pushpendra Ji Kulshrestha in Juhu on 27th July. The lecture discussed the current situation and burning issues in the country. Special guests Madhav Prasad Agarwal, Jyoti Prasad Taparia and other donors participated in the program. Overall, more than 350 people participated in the program. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.